Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in.
Hey guys, Brandon here with No Torque Garage with Adam. What are we doing today?
This pig right here. We're doing some aftermarket shit. We tried doing a chain conversion kit. It's not gonna work because of the big ass tire that I have on the back. I've got a very large 200 millimeter rear tire, and we tried to do a chain conversion kit with it, but your boy does not have the money for the offset front sprocket that I'm going to need, so we're gonna put the belt back on. I gotta take the tank off, I gotta take the fairing off to get to the headlight and all of the underglow wiring, because as you all know, the underglow took a shit. So we're gonna take all the underglow off. We're taking this dumb license plate bracket that's on here off because it's not the right one for this bike, and we're not gonna keep it. We're not gonna use it. We're gonna figure out a way of doing something else. So that's kind of where we're at today. Yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. Aren't you, Brandon? Aren't you just so excited for all of this?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
There we go. Okay.
Where's that belt at?
Top.
Oh, this is okay. At least on the bright side, this is easy to do.
It's reliable.
No, it ain't.
All reliable.
All reliable. Let me get this back on first then.
Yeah.
Man, I'm not gonna be able to tighten this thing down like I was able to prior.
No?
Well, when I tightened it down when I had the sprocket and stuff on it, all I did was take the sprocket and put it around the rear wheel and just held it, and it held this whole thing on its own. It's not gonna do that this time. So.
That plate you got already in there?
The plate doesn't go until after.
Oh, after?
After.
Should be able to get everything buttoned up here in a few
That
hours.
plate?
Yeah, that plate.
Something like that. Okay. Hey, watch my caliper. You gotta get the caliper up top first. Caliper's gotta be able to slide into its home. First fucking try, too. That's crazy.
No torque specs on it.
What's a torque spec?
We're going off good feelings.
Feels good. Do you want some help there, bud? I'll help you out, and I'll show you an easy way of doing that.
Okay.
Can you hand me a Allen that's gonna fit this?
Long or short?
Let's go with short so I don't break it off again. Here, and I'll trade you. Thanks. Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Knock it off!
Oops. I'm sorry.
My hand's in there!
Now we're gonna have belt alignment issues.
Shut your whore mouth. You can shut your whore mouth.
I'm just saying, you know.
Just stop. Stop just saying.
That's gonna be an half inch off one side.
Why would you say that?
I definitely didn't say anything. I should have brought that light with me. It's so fucking sexy.
Oh,
that one I got last night.
That's right. That stock headlight that I've got, it's not gonna work.
Why?
Too big. It's the large one.
It's a 7-inch.
Yeah, I've got a 5 and a 3/4.
Yeah. Actually, it could work.
Motherfuck, it won't.
No.
You know what? Let's do that and say we didn't, or let's do it and let's not do it and say we did.
What about Jack of all trades light?
What about it? It's a Honda light.
Yeah.
I'll get one on Amazon. Either that, or I'm pretty sure my dad has a stock Harley 5 3/4 light.
We're gonna go over there and steal his parts.
Might. He's not home.
You can't believe how much he's paying for that fucking thing, dude. It's fucking nuts.
Okay. Let's start lowering it.
Yes, Matthew. Right away, Matthew.
Come on, Bobby. Fuck! Smack the shit out of you. I had it locked in there.
It's in there.
No, it ain't. It fell off.
Oh, it's bound up at the bottom right there.
I know. It came off. It came out. Raise her back up, please.
Do you really want to ride his road glide?
Do I want to? No, I want to ride this. Am I going to be able to? No.
It is good.
Smish.
Huh? Tighten it up and then you're gonna line it.
We snug it. Just barely. And then
That's probably good, huh?
yep. I gotta get
What's up?
forgot to put the shock bolt back in first.
Come back on.
I gotta do the shock before I can align this bike. The tires gotta come back on.
Yeah, because there's no way to get to it.
Off. Come over here, please. Here. Foot on this one.
Yeah, this, yep. No, it doesn't have a washer in this inside of it. But it don't really matter. Did you break the nut? There's splines in that bitch. Where's it? Oh, threads are fucked. How's the threads on that?
But
I love this bike. Oh, it's on there.
yeah, well, it's gotta come back off.
Yeah.
I love this bike. Honey, why you calling me so late? Kinda hard to talk right now. Everything okay? I gotta whisper cause I can't be too loud. Yeah. Oh well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish she was you. I need to reset the shocks at some point. Fuck me running. I gotta go get a bolt.
Well, we can do the primary work. You just won't have it aligned.
Yeah, this is already back on, so yeah, it should be fine if we do that next.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want to come over and start putting her back together, and I'll start running down tank and wiring and everything else?
Yeah.
Let me take a smoke break for a second.
Smoke break.
Smoke break. Remember how all this goes back in?
Sort of, yeah. Fucking mess.
I wonder why.
Oh, that's for that fucking set of wrenches.
Okay. Inner primary's over there. A little bit of a bitch, isn't she? She don't listen worth a fuck either, I promise. on, bud. Remember, it's got to come back off.
Just put pressure on it so I can get this inner primary in.
No problem, senor. Might be easier if we do this the correct way too. Go down.
I'm just trying to pull this belt out to the edge, not to the inside, so it's rubbing. She was being a whore.
And a half or just a whore?
Just a whore and a half. I can't remember. I have to get a. I gotta get a diagram. I can't remember which way these fucking stinky ass fucking silicone bolts go.
Silicone bolts.
Yeah, it's fucking. It's the orientation of the inner primary bolts. Obviously, these go here because they're fucking
Yeah,
big.
the short ones go through there.
Yeah. Just somebody spray painted them.
And then short one, the two short ones go here.
Two shorts and then
The longs.
the three longs. Okay.
Oh, aren't you just gonna be a fucking daisy?
Not letting that shit go back in there.
Let me make a phone call, see if I can steal that headlight from Mohan.
Are we gonna go over there today?
I might.